Okay, now we will ahead with the cross question round, and the cross question round will be we will start with the house of equality with the cross question round. So the house of equality on the topic of social media is knowledge hub. Now you have the opportunity to ask a question to any one of the house. You this in this round also all the houses will get one opportunity to ask one supplementary question. So for that your time starts now.
Good morning everyone. My name is Ayush Gupta. I am from class 7. Today I am going to ask a question from Fraternity House. Does the democratization of information on social media platforms facilitate epistemological pluralism or exacerbate the proliferations or misinformation? Does the democratization of information on social media platforms facilitate epistemological pluralism or exacerbate the proliferations or misinformation?
Exacerbate and proliferation. ठीक है चलो ठीक. To answer this question, the House of Fraternity, your time starts now.
According to me, in social media there is a lot of misinformation. But if you want to get good information, so you have lot of app or lot of video in social media. Like you can see in for educational purpose, you have Nextopper, PW and many much things, and in YouTube there is free course available, and you are telling that misinformation that comes from social media, that is your fully depends. For this you have in mobiles there is a lot of features like focus mode. If you want to focus on something, you have focus mode.
अगर हो गया तो thank you बोलो.
Can you object, sir?
I am asking exact answer of this question.
Yes, because this answer is absolutely not valid. उनका क्वेश्चन बिल्कुल कुछ और ही है और आंसर बिल्कुल वैलिड नहीं है बच्चा. ठीक है? Somebody is objecting. Please sit down.
Can I object, sir? So as I am saying that it depends on the said that it depends on the user. But why to depend if like you are coming to school, then it is you are guided by the teacher by every day. That
Wait. The answer that Hans gave was not valid. So there is no purpose of objection.
nothing, sir.
Okay. If you want to object on the question that I was asked, then it's fine. Okay.
Sir.
You still have 1 minute if you want to answer.
Can you explain your question?
क्वेश्चन को एक्सप्लेन करना या नहीं करना आपके ऊपर है. आप बस एक बार चाहें तो उनके समझने के लिए रिपीट बस कर सकते हैं.
Why I tell you meaning of this question, you have to tell answer.
Did you have the answer of this question?
We have not answer of this question, but I ask a question for you, then you have to answer this question.
But if you not knowing the answer, so how can you ask the question?
That's our responsibility to ask a question from other. You have to tell only.
But you have you should know the answer now.
Okay, the time is up. Please sit down, both of you. दोनों के लिए ताली बजाएंगे. आप आप दोनों ने बहुत अच्छे से फाइट किया, बट आयुष बच्चा कभी भी जब आपके मर्जी हो ना तो ऐसा नहीं बोलना है कि हमको नहीं पता, मैं नहीं बताऊंगा, बात खत्म, ठीक है? ओके, सो नाउ द हाउस ऑफ फ्रेटर्निटी हैज द अपॉर्चुनिटी टू आस्क, you have the opportunity to ask a question, and to ask a question your time starts now.
Good morning everyone. My name is Abhishek Soni. I study in class 7th. I want to ask question from the House of Equality. What are the implications of social media use on student understanding of self and identify, and how can educators and parents support students in navigating these complexities?
Wait, the question must be on the topic of social media is knowledge hub. आपका क्वेश्चन जो है बच्चा सोशल मीडिया नॉलेज हब है, इससे रिलेटेड होना चाहिए। हेल्थ या स्टूडेंट्स के लिए क्या है उससे कंसर्न नहीं होना चाहिए, या वो एडवांटेज और डिसएडवांटेज पर नहीं होना चाहिए। ओके, आपको एक और मौका मिलता है, आप चाहे तो क्वेश्चन चेंज कर सकते हैं, दोबारा पूछ सकते हैं। अगर क्वेश्चन इनवैलिड होता है तो मार्क्स 0 हो जाएंगे ना। योर टाइम इज स्टिल रनिंग।
How can social media platforms be leveraged to facilitate collaborative learning, the knowledge sharing among students? From Equality House.
Valid question. Clear for you? Very good.
Okay, wait.
To answer this question, your time starts now.
From the Equality House, Fraternity House, can you please explain the main topic of the question?
Sorry, I can't.
You can ask to repeat, not explain.
Yes, I can repeat.
Yes.
Okay. How can social media platforms be leveraged to facilitate collaborative learning, the knowledge sharing among students?
Silent member, silent member, silent member, silent member, silent member.
टेक योर टाइम, अभी भी आपका पूरा 1 मिनट है, आराम से सोच के आंसर दीजिए।
Silent member, silent member, silent member, silent member, silent member. Silent member, silent member.
अभी भी 40 सेकंड्स है आपके पास।
I don't know the answer. Sorry.
मैंने पहले ही कहा है, बच्चा जब लड़ाई झगड़ा हो तो सही बोलना मायने नहीं करता है, बोलना मायने करता है। गलत बोलो लेकिन बोलो। नेवर एक्सेप्ट दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग। ठीक है, अंकित पुश करो अपने स्पिरिट को, ठीक है विशा, स्पिरिट पुश करो, थोड़ा मोटिवेट कीजिए हाउस टीचर, कभी भी ऐसी बातें नहीं करनी है। वेरी गुड। वैसे तो पहली बार में इनको बोनस को मार्क्स अच्छे मिले हैं, इनको बोनस के मार्क्स नहीं मिले थे, लेकिन दोबारा बच्चे ने जितना अच्छे से क्वेश्चन को रीड किया उनको 2 मार्क्स बोनस मिल गया। साथ ही साथ इनकी टेक्निकल एडवांटेज के लिए, क्योंकि इन्होंने इक्वालिटी हाउस के ऊपर डोमिनेंस दिखाया, 2 नंबर और बोनस का मिल जाता है। आपको ध्यान रखना है। ओके, नाउ द हाउस ऑफ जस्टिस, यू हैव द चांस टू आस्क अ क्वेश्चन, एंड टू आस्क अ क्वेश्चन your time starts now.
My question from the House of Fraternity, Ankit Jaiswal. If social media is a knowledge hub, why does more time spent on
यस सर उस समय आप हेल्प नहीं कर सकते। हाँ पर्टिकुलरली अब इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर का डेडिकेट कर दिया गया है ना, तो अभी आप नहीं पूछ सकते। कैन यू रिपीट अंकित, टू आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन योर टाइम स्टार्ट्स नाउ। सर माइक
Silent member, silent member, silent member, silent member,
Can you repeat the question?
If social media is a knowledge hub, why does more time spent on it correlate with lower academic performance in most studies?
In most times, social media is beneficial for students in different manner. Like for studying, we have YouTube, physics wala, next topper.
यू कैन नॉट से ईच वर्ड बेटा, आप गाइड कर सकते हैं लेकिन हर एक वर्ड उनका नहीं बोल सकते, है ना?
Next time for next topper, we have for entertainment.
मैं बोल रहा हूँ
For entertainment, we have all the channels in YouTube and Snap in Google, Insta.
आंसर इज गोइंग इररिलेवेंट। स्टार्टिंग सही था बट अब रिलेवेंस नहीं है बच्चा। लास्ट 30 सेकंड्स।
Thank you, sir.
ओके Okay, now the house of Equality, you have the opportunity to ask the question, and to ask the question your time starts now.
Good morning, everyone, audience. So I am on the unfavored side, and my question is to the Justice House author. As you answered about the critical thinking, so can you prove any science study based proving that content in the short form can affect the critical thinking efficiency in the long term? Can you explain that it can teach quantum mechanism, the mind-body problems in the philosophy, string theory, the geopolitical conflict of a specific region, climate change modeling? Can you?
Very good question. And to answer this question, the House of Justice, your time starts now.
Sir, but I am in against side.
It doesn't matter. अगर आपसे पर्टिकुलरली क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है क्रॉस क्वेश्चन में हम ऐसा साइड या फिगर नहीं देख रहे हैं, आपको ही आंसर करना पड़ेगा।
Can you repeat? And I didn't mention about critical thinking.
You can just repeat, not explain. आप सिर्फ रिपीट कर सकते हैं, एक्सप्लेन करने की जरूरत नहीं है। टाइम इज रनिंग।
Can you prove any study, science study based result that content in a short form can affect the critical thinking in a long term way? Can you prove that? Can you prove that some topics like quantum mechanism, the mind-body problems in the philosophy, string theory, the geopolitical conflict of a specific region, the climate change modeling, can you prove that social media can teach this?
1 minute. Now you have 1 minute.
If we are studying about topic, it is good. But if we are studying about quantum mechanics and geographical,
I say, can you provide any science study result?
there are so many official government sites that prove that, like US Department of Health and Human Service (HHS) and World Health Organization, National Institute of Health, and American Psychological Association.
You are telling me the name, but what are the results? You haven't told me that.
What did that say? उन्होंने क्या कहा? वो बताओ ना, तालीम पे जाओगे बच्चा। मतलब उन्होंने क्या स्टडी किया है वो बताओ उनको। Last 20 seconds.
Sir, they study about the decreasing concentration of students while they are seeking for short term and not doing their work by themselves.
Not valid answers.
And आंसर इज नॉट रिलेटेड। ठीक है, उनका क्वेश्चन उन्होंने अजान कुछ कर आपको टारगेट किया, वो ऐसा क्वेश्चन पूछे हैं जो आईएएस में आ रहा है। कुछ अलग ही क्वेश्चन पूछे हैं, ठीक है, बट कोई बात नहीं। टेक्निकल एडवांटेज का आपको 2 मार्क्स मिलेगा, हाउस ऑफ लिबर्टी, वेरी गुड, वेल ट्राई। बट आपने ट्राई किया, ये बहुत अच्छी बात है, वी अप्रिशिएट दैट, उसका हम जरूर तारीफ करते हैं। दिस इज ऑल